Hey, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you the prediction of your 17th May 2025 IELTS exam. This is the prediction for your listening, reading and writing exam. If you are new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe this channel because here you can get the prediction. You can also get the answer keys, and if you have any request related with your speaking, then you can also directly reach out to us for getsuccess66 at the rate gmail.com for your speaking side. But if you are looking for English speaking buddy partners also, we are also here to help you out. And if you are preparing for your IELTS interview or job related interview, then again we are here to help you out. But again, what we needed from you only to like this video and subscribe this channel and share this video with your friends who is struggling for English speaking and looking for the English speaking buddy partners. All right, so let's get started with the listening, but please don't forget to subscribe this channel. And I'm your tutor Vashist from Vashist IELTS Wisdom. Please stay with us, and also please join our IELTS Wisdom channel. Now, part 1 is Phillips. Always part 1 is Phillips, and Phillips this time going to be easy this time. Part 2 is multiple choice question answers or map. This is going to be easy to moderate. So what is easy to moderate mean? All the time students ask me about the moderate. So moderate is considered as a little bit harder, or I can say the tough. But again, because this is multiple choice question answers and map, please pay close attention when you are listening to the dates, listening to the time, listening to the location, because they switch back and forth the location and time and the dates. In that way, you can be confused and put the wrong things in there, right? So map is mostly the labeling. You can please pay attention on the roots, or the multiple choice question is always pay attention for the vocabulary, because back and forth sometimes it also gives you a little hard time when you are putting the things together in there. Okay, so now the part 3 is multiple choice question answers match the information. So here you can have your exam level easy. So please, easy doesn't mean you have to be relaxed. You need to be practice a lot and more in that way, because in that way means easy. If you get the easy means you can have variety of things are there in the in your exam. And in exam, when you have variety of things, then you need to be pay close attention while preparing that variety of things in your exam. Okay, and part 4 is again Phillips. So Phillips you can have all easy to moderate this time, because again you will find some difficulty in the understanding way. So please, you have whatever preparation you are doing right now, my suggestion is to each and every student, please pay very close attention when you are preparing your IELTS material. You have online material also. If you need, then I can also provide you material, and also your institutions, if you are preparing from the institution, then they will also provide you some information. So please go with them and prepare everything whatever they provide you. In that way you can have your good understanding and good confidence when you're going to attend the regional exam. Okay, now let's get talk about the overall level of this exam. So if we talk about the overall level of this exam, this time your level should be easy to moderate. So easy to moderate means the difficulty level is easy to moderate means you have to prepare fluency means you need to work with the all the accents, British, Australian, US and Canadian accent, because here students find some difficulty to understanding their language, their accent, and also vocabulary is another way, another thing which you need to pay very close attention for the vocabulary side, because here is also the another thing students find some difficulty because of the confusion. And the third thing, you need to pay attention to the paraphrases and also the dates and times. Okay, so these things will always gives little hard time for the students to understand, because in IELTS when you are talking about the dates, when you listen about the dates and time, they will always back and forth switch the time to make the students confused. So you need to pay very close attention when they are talking about the time, what they are talking about, and what the question is, and according to that you fill your answer in the answer sheet. So that is the tip and suggestion for all the students, because I know that students after the exam, they are always come to me and share their experience, and then disappointed after that when I just let them know. And the other thing which you need to pay close attention to, the write down everything in the capital letter, because capital means you can have more attention, more work on that work wise. So in that way you can get more attention, and then you can have the right correct answer and correct marks for your question what you have written in the answer sheet. Okay, so my another very big suggestion for the each and every individual, please, while using your writing, always use the capital letters in there. Okay, and also use pencil, not the pen. Passage 1. So passage 1 in reading. Let's move to the reading side. So reading, well, when we talk about the reading, so reading passage 1 is true, false, not given, sentence completion, and yes, no. These are the types you can find in your IELTS exam. And this part is easy to moderate. And passage 2 is list of headings. Which paragraph contains the following information? In this part you can find easy but little tricky. So how this part should be tricky? Because headings, when they are talking about the headings, what the students face a problem, and they consistently they are facing this problem. So this is a suggestion for each and every individual who is going to appear in the exam of 17th May. So please, when they are talking about the heading, so please pay attention, because they are very quickly change the heading in the one line, and another line they are having a different heading. So you need to be work there very smartly, read the paragraph very smartly, so in that way you can find the right heading. Otherwise the heading is the hard time for the students in the past exam. Passage 3. When we talk about the passage 3 is always yes, no, matching, and summary completion. In that way, you can say this part is going to be easy for you guys. But again, please don't make it that easy, because yes, no, and matching, students always have some difficulty, because matching is sometimes having the same options in the same side. In that way, you can find some kind of a problem when you see the matching things A to B, A B C D, and then the other side is the same, but again you can see the similarity in the words and vocabulary side. So please work on your vocabulary. I also started the series of vocabulary related with the matching topics or the current topics. Please go ahead and watch those videos. In that way you can have a little bit more idea about the vocabulary, what they're talking about. And again, wait for the next video if you need. And also the depth with the topics, I always made with type of topics you can expect your IELTS exam. I always made that video for, I will always make that video with the request. So if you need that depth video of detailed with the paragraph, please write down in the comment section. I will always help you out with that too. Okay, overall, if we talk about the overall reading exam, so overall exam is going to be easy to moderate this time. So please pay close attention. If you need my help, please write down in the comment section. I am always here to help you out. But again, please pay close attention when you are preparing your IELTS exam. All right, writing. So let's go back to the writing. So writing part 1 is line, bar, table, process, or the very important topics, important graph or process combination. These are very important. So please prepare all these line, bar, table, process combination in your this upcoming 17th May IELTS exam. Task 2, important topics are animals, children, ecosystem, global warming, and employment and environment, business, entertainment. So these are the important topics for the writing task. But again, another thing which students always ask about, what type of the expectation in the task 2. So they will ask you the question type, opinion and discussion, agree and disagree, and advantage and disadvantage. So there's no reason to say only prepare the one type, because they are switching the type, and sometimes they are completely adding the two things together in the writing task, like opinion, what is your opinion, and discussion. Definitely you need to give your discussion and what you think about that, and what are the advantages and disadvantages of this thing. going forward in the future. Or maybe, are you agree with that? Because this is the statement, they will give you one statement, and in that way they can ask you about, give me your opinion, and are you agree with that opinion? If not, then give your opinion, and then also, is that your suggestion opinion gives the advantage or the disadvantage to the community. So these three types definitely you need to complete and prepare for your upcoming IELTS exam. So this is the prediction for your 17th May 2025 IELTS exam. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please don't forget to share this channel with your friends. And if you are looking for the English free speaking buddy partners, we are preparing the students for free. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video in my next prediction. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you. Bye bye.